Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin is primed for a pump, and check out these price targets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, Bitcoin primed for a pump, plus you don't want to miss out on these crazy price targets. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, and of course subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel. This one, now today, fear and greed at 60. It has dipped out of green greed down into the mustard yellow greed. People are a little bit scared after the market took a 5 to 8% dip over the past week. The market overall up 1% today. Bitcoin at 114,675, Ethereum at 3676, XRP 305, BNB 764, Solana 168. Tron 33 cents, Dogecoin 20 cents, and Cardano 75 cents. Now, Bitcoin, take a look at this. Finding consolidation on the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders, which if it does come to fruition, would put Bitcoin price up about $160,000. We did find resistance right around the price band from the previous cycle tops. You can see top here, top here. This line, zooming all the way out, did form a little bit of resistance there. We will once again have to break above there. Right now, price finding support on the 50-day moving average, this yellow line right there. And as we've done that, congratulations, pat yourself on the back. You survived the great decline of summer 2025, where Bitcoin's price fell a whole 8.5% from all-time high. Not the worst we've seen, could get worse, but for the moment, seems like we just wiped out some longs and maybe we'll go once again, because for those people calling for a top right now, bull markets generally don't end with fear. Bitcoin has yet to see the euphoria stage of the cycle. Euphoria stage is this purplish blue color, and we haven't yet seen it. We've been in belief denial for quite a while, but have not climbed up to crazy euphoria stage, and I would be surprised if we did see the top in the cycle. Now, as all of those longs were wiped out with the price coming back down, guess what? There are a lot of shorts right here, $120,000, that would be set to get liquidated should price go back above $120,000. That's pretty much the game we've been playing for years at this point, just liquidating longs and shorts, basically wiping out dumb money over and over and over again. And that's probably the story is just going to go as the price just continues to creep up very, very slowly. It's just a game of liquidations. So with that being said, we are right at the point where things look like they could be about to take off. Now this signal, most likely it is due to, business cycles, all these different things. He doesn't tell what these indicators are at the moment, but you can see we are at the inflection point that we've seen previously that has led to significant inclines in Bitcoin price. We also take a look at the global M2 liquidity and its rate of change hovering right around 9%. This is historically par for the course, tending to stay at that level for significant periods of time. And it's been enough to create bubbles in 2013, in 2017, and also in 2021. So we could just be right around the corner from something big happen. You don't want to repeat your old mistakes of selling at the bottom and then buying again at the top. May just need to wait a little bit longer for this peak because we have not seen any type of parabolic price movement just yet. It is just a stair-like movement of long and short liquidations. After every macro double dip for Bitcoin, there's a long way to go before the top. You can see double dip here and then long way to the top. Double dip here, long way to the top. Well, double dip once again. July would be an early taste of what's still to come. This is very reminiscent of summer 2019, and things did not take off until October 2020, which was a full, 15 months or something after summer 2019. So we could have a very, very long way to go. And in one of the videos that I made the other day, I was saying, yeah, based on the Pi cycle top indicator, it looks like we have between 6 and 17 months left to go of this cycle, averaging 11 months. Which again tells me a lot of time to go. But Bitcoin could be on the breakout point right now. Take a look at this. This was 2016, 2017 breakout. You had a nice cup handle and then breakout, and things went parabolic from $2,000 to $20,000. Well, take a look at this cup handle. We are on the breakout point. Could things do the same? A nice 10x from 100,000 to a million? Oh, well, based on this, the next target is $350,000 and altcoins will pump 200x. But we'll kind of see if that actually does what he's expecting. Bitcoin ready for a huge bull run. The RSI has not tapped top levels yet. Again, hovering well below top levels. But based on history, could we hit 1,000% again? Let's hope, because we have not yet gone to the top based on all of these charts. For all of you people who want numbers, well, based on the bear case, $175,000 by October. Based on the base case, that would be $280,000 by January. The bull case would be $444,000 by March. And the best case of all, the super cycle, $1 million by July of next year. That would be pretty freaking awesome for Bitcoin. Now take a look at this for Ethereum. Targets forming 100% target, $5,300 for Ethereum. The 1.61, 7,300, and the 200% target at $8,500 per ETH. We could be looking at those crazy levels. And guess what? Dogecoin also has its triple bottom formation, and previous structures observed a 65% drop followed by 3 bottoms and then a surge. We'll take a look at this. Roughly 63%, 73% drop, and then 1, 2, 3 bottoms. Could this be the last dip before Doge, every other meme coin, and a lot of altcoins take off? Well, you'll have to answer that one. But that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, check out some of the shorts. There's also a playlist right up there you might enjoy. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
Boom. Shakalaka.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.